Okay, so it's been a while, but I'm just going to do an old school remembering the future video. The future being this eclipse date in North America for next year, April 8th. And I'm remembering an album title from a band called Sneaker Pimps called Becoming X. The eclipse in 2024, 8th of April, forms the X from the one from 2017. That's the one for next year. So, Becoming X. Becoming X. Okay, so we've got X being the 24th letter. 24 being the 2nd of April. And then we've got the 8-4 for the 8th of April for the eclipse date, the Becoming X date. That's a difference of 144 hours between those two dates. That's 6 times 24. 6 days, 24 hours. Hence why that's how many minutes there are per day as well. You just add the 0 there. The minutes per hour per day. See how it's that 0? That's your sun and moon. Well, there it is. Oh, it's gone. It's the eclipse. There you go, it's there again. So you've got 144 hours between those two dates. That's quite significant just straight away because it's connected straight to time, isn't it? Because 144 just showed you how that connects to time. It's also 12 times 12, 12 Fibonacci, etc. So we've established that bit just from X on its own. And the dates. So 24 plus 84. Bit simple math. 108. Sticking with then the 8-4 eclipse date. This time changing it to American because it's an American eclipse. Okay, so their format, that would be August 4th. Barack Obama's birthday as well. 216th day of the year, all that jazz. But anyway, using that then as August 4th now, because we've suddenly got 10th of August there as well. What's the difference between those two dates? August 4th to the 10th August. Well, it's 6 days again, isn't it? Of course. Simple maths again. So it's again all just from the starting point of there. You've got twin 144s and the math connection. Twin 144. Zoom out a bit now. Put the light back on. You got 288 now, haven't you? Add those two together. 144 plus 144, 288. Again, August 4th, the 8-4. 28th of August now. 28th of August, 288. Well, that's a difference of 24 days. 24 days between those two. 24, we started off with 24 because it was becoming X, and that's what it's become. Started off with it and we've ended up with it. Let's work the video backwards. X 24th letter. It's 24 days between 28th of August and the 4th of August. Why are we talking about that? Because that's twin 144. Duality time, night and day, moon and sun, crossing over for an eclipse, which is why we've used this. Twin 144s, where did they come from? Because that's the hours difference between 10th of August and the 4th of August. 10th of August came from 24 added to 84. What's 24 and 84 got to do with it all? Well, because it was the 8th of April for the eclipse, sun and the moon, day and night, duality for time, AM and PM. 24 we changed to the date for the 2nd of April because that's also 144 hours between them. X, the 24th letter. This is all becoming X there. Okay, so now onto this album connection, the Becoming X. Specifically, we're going to look at these dates here of when it was released. First in the UK, then in February in America. Right. Get the light back on here. So Becoming X. Now if you were to spell the word X, you'd only be able to use EX, wouldn't you really? E being the 5th letter, X 24th. There's a date that would be May 24th. Again with the April 8th eclipse date becoming the X. That's a difference of 1 month, 16 days from April 8th to May 24th. That's just simple maths here. I'm going to get to that bit in a minute. Firstly, if that was May 24th, it'd only be 48 hours difference between 22nd of May, 2 days difference. Remember that was released the 25th of February, 225, could be 225. See the connection there? Becoming X, 48. None of this is coincidence, it's mathematics. This is just a different way of that date. That could then be 22nd of May. Is it a coincidence then that that's 48 hours from 24th of May? Seeming that it's the 4-8 significance with the X for the eclipse. Okay, so coming back to this one then, for X is 5th letter, 24th. Difference there of 1 month, 16 days for those two dates of April 8th to May 24th. That's because you're flipping that upside down, it's 9/11 suddenly, right? From the 25th of February, again, that is the official release date. It was 97 for the Sneaker Pimps Becoming X album. '25th of February to 11th of September, 9/11. That's 198 days. Show you that. 25th of February. It's 9/11, 198 days. Well, 19th of August was when Becoming X was released in the UK. Again, that's shown there, 19th of August. Not a coincidence, is it? The release date for the American version album, 25th of May. 25th of February. The year 2001 to the 11th of September 2001. 19th of August. 1996 release date in the UK for the album Becoming X. 5 years before 9/11. At the inside of this album sleeve for Becoming X there. Remember, 5 years before 9/11 with that code there. 25th of February release date, 96/7. Look at all those fives in the middle of that sleeve for the Get album. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 years before 9/11. 9th of August. Release date. 198 days difference between 25th of February release date in 97. The Sneaker Pimps album. 25th of February then of this year. It's the eclipse date for next year. How many days is that?